Hi everyone, my name is Abdelhalim Sekar and I'm a SEO expert and digital marketer. And in this lecture, I'm going to reveal one of my case studies, semantic SEO case studies that I've been working with in the last months. And it's about a UK e-commerce website, and it has been doing a lot of good performance. We could took this website from 16,000 until from 10,000 to 16,000 clicks in just 5 months. As you see here in the graph, the website is for t-shirt design. This website is a tool based. We have been doing semantic content network and topical authority for this source. The website is for an academic football, which is forming players and coaches. We have been covering a lot of topics from different angles, different attributes and different entities, so we could bring the attraction of the search engine early when I catch that client. So you can see, guys, here I start working with this project about between September and July, as you see here. You can see there is a lot of little bit drip of traffic. This is because the different sections and notifications that we have been doing. We removed some of the headings, permalinks, and we removed a lot of unnecessary images. We created new pages, sub pages with the proper contextual contextualization, so it matches the main entity and main attributes that use it in the core section. And after about between November and January, there is a good spike here in the traffic, as you can see here, thanks to the information retrieval understanding and the query semantics understanding. We have covered some points in the previous lecture. We can see the other concepts that we haven't covered before, which is query semantics. If you want to understand query semantics, you have to understand how search engine parse the queries and how the search understand extract information, which is called open information retrieval and open information extraction, which are two distinct things. If you want to understand the query semantics, which is the behavioral queries that the user enters when it hits the search bar, the search engine collects all this information from the query logs. They will drop specific calculations, and they will compare two different sources, two different web pages, which one qualify for that proper query, and the search engine exactly cluster user, document and query, which is lead us to another important part, which is lexical semantics. Guys, lexical semantics and query semantics are two different things, but they complete each other. Query semantics is how the user behaves, but the lexical semantics is the raw words, is the dictionary words. So the human being using that dictionary words to express its behavior. And the query language is the difference between people. For example, a person comes from Africa is different than the person lives in Europe or in Asia. They use different component, different words units. The query, there is query path, sequential queries, and correlative queries. Guys, these concepts are from the types of the semantic queries. The query path is imagine that you have let's say a sequence of queries, for example, symptoms of flu treatment and nearest clinic. Those queries are coming from one line, opposite of the sequential queries, which are queries came from different query logs or different user logs, and the correlative queries are the queries that are related and influence each other's meaning if not searched in the same session. Correlative queries is a little bit different than sequential queries, which is the same query, the same user log, but different contextualization and different verbalization. Guys, there is something very, very important with a question generation, which is how you you build your document, how you classify all the entities and attributes and contextualization of the questions, which lead to one vector, one meaning, one topic. And we use different types of questions like a grouping questions, Boolean questions, comparative questions, definitional questions, or informational questions. And there is another very, very important concept to use in topical map and authority, which is semantic distance. Guys, if you want to understand semantic distance, which is two words, imagine we have a term like a tree and soil. Soil and tree, they have specific distance between each other. When we say distance, we mean meaning, not the space vectorization. There is a lot of queries that should come between them. So those queries or those terms come between them is the distance. Guys, there is a lot of other concepts. I will try to treat them in the next case studies. So guys, if you have any question or you have opinion, anything, drop it in the comments or contact me in my email or social media accounts. I will be around. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.